Here's a beautiful early 20th century bound volume of a scholarly journal called the Geographical Review. This is from 1929. The book is splendidly bound in half leather, probably from the mid 20th century. Marbled paper-covered boards like so, marbled end papers like this. Yes, it's 4 issues. It was a quarterly journal. And the first issue here has, for instance, an article on the North Pole expedition, this Peruvian expedition, and so on. This was, in a sense, like National Geographic, but more scholarly, aimed at sort of professional geographers. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, my goodness. Oh, that's interesting. With a profusion of these small maps and photographs and diagrams and tables all throughout. Many of the articles here appear for the first time in this work. And here is this lithograph map of central Peru that accompanies one of the articles. Then we get to this folding map here, which is like so. Yes. Okay. Then we get to this second issue right here for April of 1929. In this we have an expedition of the Central Andes and Bolivia, Antarctic flights, very interesting, like so. Can Japan develop industrially? Like this. Yes, and here's this, like so. Yeah. Then we get to the third issue, like this. And the Gulf Stream, Norwegian whaling in the Antarctic, the Wilkins-Hearst Antarctic expedition of 1928 and 29, like that. Here we are, the Graham Land region, discoveries made by Sir Hubert Wilkins, like this. Southern Somalia, Italian colonies, New England native-born. Look at this, yes, very interesting. Mediterranean gardens, and so on. Then the fourth issue, the last one of the year, has all of this contents, and including an article on the Great Slave Lake, which shows up on early maps of North America, the Roman Campagna, and here is this, Baja California. Okay, and then we have this right here. Okay, and that's Colombia. Very interesting, detailed map near Bogota, south of Bogota. I notice here it says the Zeiss stereotelemeter. So that's a stereographic camera of sorts that was used on that expedition. The book is clean, tight, sound, well preserved. Probably a unique example in a binding like this. It could well have been done specifically for an early owner. And this book is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.